Hello, friends. Welcome to AQ Bias YouTube channel. This session is a part of our daily current affairs series. In today's session, we'll discuss about salt-tolerant rice variety. So before we discuss about this variety, let me tell you a small story. This story is about a farmer in West Bengal. So if you recall, when cyclone Yas was tearing through Odisha, so many farmers suffered. And this particular farmer, he suffered the most. His whole farmlands got submerged. So he was devastated, his future was bleak and blurry. But now this farmer has something to rely upon because he is growing salt tolerant paddy. Now the productivity from salt tolerant paddy is relatively less as compared to a normal rice variety, but at least now he's getting something. So this is the silver lining. At least there is some productivity now. Now this salt tolerant variety, how do we develop that? You have to understand. We have some plants which are known as halophytes. Now these halophytes, these are rich in salt tolerant genes. Okay, just remember halophytes, this term can be asked in prelims. So these salt tolerant genes, these genes are inserted into normal rice variety. Okay, so we have got the genes from halophytes, and these genes are overexpressed in normal rice variety. So this is how we get the salt tolerant rice varieties. Okay, so you must know the process, that how we develop the salt tolerant rice variety. Now from the prelims perspective, you must know what halophytes are and the process of developing this rice variety, this salt tolerant rice variety. Okay, and I have provided the notes regarding this news. You can download these notes, and if you have liked our initiative, you can subscribe our YouTube channel for more such videos. You can follow us on our social media platforms. We upload daily current affairs content there. So that's all for today's session. I'll see you in the next session soon. Bye bye.